Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm here in beautiful Waikiki Island in Hawaii, staying at the Hyatt. And I did a big video on how you could stay here for just paying the resort fee, which is $65 a night. Normally this place runs $1,300. But anyways, I'll put it in the description. But this video, I see a lot of people that do videos on YouTube about what's in my wallet in 2024. So I figured I'd do the same thing. So first one, it's well used. It's the Venture X. And the Venture X, that's the go-to credit card now. Everybody uses it. Has an annual fee of $395. But right off the bat, you get $750 worth of travel. If you spend $4,000 the first 3 months. And this card packs a lot of good benefits that annual fee pays for itself. So first off, they give you $300 worth of travel credit every year that you have the credit card. So if you travel at least once a year, we go to Hawaii or New Zealand, or both actually, because we utilize points. So we use this credit card a lot, which I might add, in the last 8 years, I've been able to save approximately $42,000 we that got worth of travel, airlines, lounge access, hotels, and yeah, that pretty much $42,000 in the last 8 years. So these credit cards actually do pay for themselves. So back to the Capital One. One thing they give you, and a lot of credit cards, the high-end, tier-end, the ones that have annual fees, they give you Priority Pass. Now, Priority Pass, what that is, it's lounge. Let me focus here. It's lounge access. They have 1,400 lounges all over the world. A lot of people in the United States have complained because they don't get into the lounges because a lot of people have the credit cards. But internationally, we've noticed that we could get into, I got in Japan, Thailand, New Zealand, the lounge there. As a matter of fact, in our video description, I have a bunch of lounges that we've been to around the world, Europe. And this thing just itself pays for itself. Just, you got a family of 4, easily. A family of mine just went and spent over $100 at an airport just getting food. So yes, this thing pays for itself very easy, and it's a perk that you get when you get the Venture X credit card. The other perk, and I'm not going to go too much detail about it, but the other one that's really cool is they have global entry or pre-TSA. And that basically allows you to cut in front of the line because you're already being pre-approved. You're not a threat. And for example, when we flew out of LAX, I just wanted to see how fast I could get through it. And it was a quiet morning. And I still had to wait for the rest of my family, like 15 minutes in the morning. When I went through, I just went right through because the line is there's not that many people. So that's $100, and you get that free every 4 years. So the next credit card that I use is the Chase, and you can tell I'm on old school. This is the Freedom card. And now they call it Freedom Flex. This credit card, they have revolving categories that every quarter, and for example, this quarter is grocery stores, you get 5 points. And then they have fuel and other things. And I saved over 1 year 22,000 points just by doing nothing, just using this credit card. And then what you do with this credit card, you could transfer it to Chase, and then from Chase you could transfer it to United credit card points, United points, or Hyatt, which is, like, for example, 30,000 points, just spending whatever you do, shopping, everyday shopping will get you basically a 1 night free stay in this hotel, which this hotel is like $1,300 a night, which is mind boggling. You get that for free. Sapphire. Here's another one. Prefer. This is $95 annual fee if you spend 4,000. I use this credit card only to transfer to United points because we fly to New Zealand a lot, and United flies to New Zealand. So you have to transfer points with the Freedom card. You have to have this card. And this card, it's $95, like I mentioned, but they give you, after the first year, they give you $50 credit when you book a hotel through their porter, which is, so it's basically $45. And we also, when we travel, we use that credit card so we don't pay the foreign exchange fee. The other thing that's in my wallet is the Hyatt, Grand Hyatt. Now, like I mentioned, this is where we are, where we're staying, but what I use this card is, this is a card that we use to get 30,000 points, which pays one night here, or we're going to use it probably for another hotel. And this one, I would keep it. It's $95 annual fee, but you get to stay at a category 4 one night for free each year, each anniversary year. So, for example, we're going to go to Disneyland. Rather than driving back home, we could stay at the Anaheim Hyatt, which is $264 a night, I believe. And then they also give you free breakfast. So that's easily $300 that we'd be saving. And you get to, if you have this card, you get to stay there for free. So it pays for itself. We were getting actually $200 credit. The other credit card that we have in my wallet, which I will probably get rid of soon, is the Hawaiian Airline. This is my wife's. That one is 60,000 points. That gives you, they say that it could fly you to Hawaii, one-way ticket, but maybe. But it could at least fly the whole family back one way. We've used the Hawaiian Airline three times to fly for free. And the reason I keep that credit card is when we do book with Hawaii, they give you checked luggage for free, and that's value of $60. So that credit card is basically $30 to have. Plus you get the flight. The other credit card that we have is the United, and I don't have physically Explorer, and that credit card is you get 60,000 points, which is pretty good for a credit card. And what we do is we use that credit card for lounge access. They give you lounge access to their United credit lounges, and they give you free checked luggage. And that's another credit card that we utilize to fly to Hawaii because they have the free checked luggage. United charges $35 for luggage, and with that credit card, with the Explorer, you get it for free. So that's the other credit card that we keep in my wallet for 2024. Anyways, I hope you found this useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and like always, keep on traveling.